Apple has just released the iOS 18.1 developer beta and you can install it to test the Apple Intelligence features right now. To receive this beta update, you should be running the developer beta and not the public beta on your iPhone. You can check our guide on how to install the iOS 18 developer beta on your iPhone by clicking on the I button or link in the video description. To install the iOS 18.1 developer beta on your iPhone, launch the settings app and open the general settings, open the software update settings and you should see the iOS 18.1 developer beta option at the bottom. Tap to open the install page. On this page, you will notice the requirement to test the Apple Intelligence features. Firstly, Apple Intelligence feature is only available for iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Secondly, your device language should be set to English and the region should be set to the United States. To install the update, tap on the Update Now button and agree to the terms and conditions. After you install the update, you will see that the Siri settings option has been replaced with Apple Intelligence and Siri option. If you are in United States, you will see the option to join the waitlist to test the Apple Intelligence feature. If you want to test the new Apple Intelligence feature released with iOS 18.1 beta but you live outside the United States, you have to change your iPhone region to US. To do that, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on General Settings. Scroll down to the Language and Region settings and tap on Region. Scroll down to the bottom and tap to select United States. And that's it. Now, when you go back to the Apple Intelligence feature, you will see the option to join the waitlist. And that is how you can try the Apple Intelligence feature outside US right now. I will cover all the Apple Intelligence features that are ready to test right now in the next video. So subscribe if you don't want to miss out on it. Do like this video if you found it informative. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.